Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and this tutorial video is part of the LSP Cake Smash Cutie video tutorial library. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily match the colour of your cake or decor or balloons or anything else for a streamlined finish to your gallery. Because sometimes you order the cake in, it doesn't quite match your decor, and I'm going to show you how you can do that with the actions. For installation instructions and how to get started using these actions to edit your Cake Smash shots, please do visit the tutorial library at lsp-actions.com to see how to edit everything else using these actions. So first up, I'm going to start with this beautiful image by Libby Newborn Photography. Libby is stunning. Look how adorable. So you can see here the cake is a very vibrant, kind of almost turquoise blue, and the decor is a lot calmer. So I'm going to play the Blues Bluer. It does exactly what it says on the tin. I'm going to use the bracket key to make the brush a tiny bit bigger. Opacity 100. Set your flow to around 25. Now if you have other decor or anything else touching the cake, you may want to make your brush a little bit smaller and harder. It all depends. And I'm simply going to brush this on, and you'll see it's taking that vibrant tone out of the blues, and now they match the decor. So I'm just going to brush that over anything else I need to. You can hit X to switch to a black brush, which hides the effect if you want to take this off anything. So just play around with that. So there we have before and after. Now the cake matches the decor. Let's go for this one, Beautiful by Bray Photography. So I'm going to make this cake a little bit more vibrant and a little bit more into the indigo tone. So I'm going to play Purple's Bluer and just brush this on. I'm also going to play the vibrant colour painter here, just to add a little bit more oomph into that cake to match the general kind of tonal pattern of the image there. So for this image you can see there's some yellow in these balloons, and I'd like them to be white, so I'm going to play the yellow whiter. This one's also really good for sponge cake that's very yellow and you want it to be kind of a purer tone. So see there, before and after. This image here, we can make the cake a little pinker, so let's go for the pinks bolder. And just pink that up there. This beautiful image by Lea Cooper, just look at that little face, adorable. Now this image here by Samantha, Jade Photography. You can see the cake is really kind of a bright turquoise, and yet his outfit and the decor are really kind of baby blue and white. So I'm going to go for the Blues Bluer option and just brush this over all the icing here. You can see there before and after. This has made the sponge a little green, so switch over to a black brush or hit X on your keyboard and you can just paint this off the sponge there if you wanted to keep that yellow tone. Or you could just brighten up the sponge if you wanted to, entirely up to you. So there's before and after, so that has really made the cake match the decor there. Alternatively with this one, this sweet image by Bray, the cake is a very dusty tone, whereas everything else is a little bit brighter. So you could play the pastel painter instead if you wanted to keep the cake, and use this to just take some of the kind of the boldness out of those tones there. And just pop that down, so we have before and after, everything matching in there. Before and after. So that's how to use the colour changes section to adapt colours in your image, perhaps your balloons, the outfit, the bunting, the decor, the cake, anything like that, of the LSP Cake Smash Cutie Photoshop Action Suite. And this set is available at www.lsp-actions.com. For the complete video tutorials, you can visit the website, click on video tutorials, access the Cake Smash Cutie Photoshop Action tutorials from there. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.